At a meeting held on Saturday, the 21st of May 2022, the 18 West Shillong Block Congress Committee was dissolved following the resentment of party workers against the penalty imposed upon its representative Mohendro Rapsang by the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC. It may be reminded that Rapsang was suspended by the Congress along with other 4 MLAs who had supported the NPP-led MDA government. Earlier, the MPCC had issued show cause notices to all the 5 MLAs and only 2 of them, that included Mohendro Rapsang from Shillong West and Miralbon's Aim from Nongpoh constituencies, responded to the notice. However, the MPCC allegedly took stern action against them through a 3-year suspension from the party. At a recent meeting of the Block Committee, reliable sources informed that dissolving the West Shillong Block Congress Committee was intended to prevent any disruption to the prospect of sitting MLA Mohendro Rapsang at the upcoming 2023 Legislative Assembly elections in the state. It is not yet known as to the future affiliation of Rapsang to any political party, since the matter is still apprehensive of any probable legal repercussion. In the meantime, sources informed that the MPCC is awaiting official communication from the 18 West Shillong Block Congress Committee on its recent action.